All right, hello. This is the Spotify Satire Project. This is a project created by myself, Babacar Diata, and my partner Owen Trout. And we made a little Spotify website that can kind of critique your top artist on your Spotify account. So it's a little bit something interesting. If you would like to visit here's the URL, and it's just something that we did. I mean, I know myself personally because I listen to a lot of music, and I thought it'd be really funny if I could just go onto a website and critique what I listen to.
Yeah, same here. I listen to a lot of music, and I just thought it would be funny to kind of make something that I see as the anti like Spotify Wrapped, where it's like Spotify Wrapped. It gives you your top artists, and it's like kind of like this hype thing. This is the opposite. It gives you your top 10, and it kind of makes fun of you for it. So yeah.
All right, so without further ado, we're just gonna get into kind of how our website works.
So this first page is just a simple login page. Made it using the Bootstrap, like the column system, and yeah, pretty straightforward and easy. So now once you click the login, it takes you to, using the Spotify API, it takes you to their authorization page, asks you if it's okay to take your data and use it the way we want it. Click agree, and then now we're at the home page. The background image was created through Photoshop, and whole page, header, banner, just basic HTML, CSS. Click let's get started. Now that's in the background, the API went and fetched the user, got his data, and parsed through its top artists from code we made, and we created these profile cards programmatically, and displays it with the name and the joke we created.
So yeah, that's pretty cool just to be able to kind of see your top artists from your Spotify account, and you can see the kind of like a mainstream opinion of what they are, and kind of like a fun joke. And it's really just a cool thing as a music fan to be able to see that, and it happens so easily with just a login with our API. So now here in the account section of the website, we now have it so that you can create a list. So we have an open source database that we created, which we are allowing users to then create a name of their list and keep 3 of their top artists in the list. And then anytime they come back to our website, they can come back and edit it. So I can create a list called Baba List, name my artist Kendrick, name my artist Cole, say my last artist is, let's say Beyonce. And I can create that list, and once you press that create button, it actually sends it to Firestore to then create a list that can be retrieved. So if I ever come back and say, all right, I want to look at this list, I press load, and right into there, it's going to give you all of your options, everyone that you clicked, and then you can edit it. And maybe, I'll say from now on, this is no longer mine, I listen to Gucci. I can just press update, and then I've now changed it. So you see, if I do something else, press load, nothing's happening. But once I put my name back in, press the load, it's then going to give me what I have back. So it's nice, and it's a really cool thing. And if you don't want to keep your list, you can always just delete it. So you can press delete, it's gone. If I press Baba List and press load now, nothing happens. So that's just kind of how it goes. And it's really cool that you're able to load your list back that you have and always have kind of your list in our database of your top 3 artists, because it is a website about the top stuff. So it's really nice that we're able to kind of go over that.
Now I'll kind of just talk more about the API and how it was like kind of outside the scope of the class. There was never really a moment in class where we had to deal with an API call that had this authorization with a bear and a token, had to have this access token, redirect URL, all that type of stuff. And it took a bunch of hours shifting through documentation to be able to fully understand how to fully implement the type of access token authorization that this website required.
Yeah, and so as you hear him talk about that, you can kind of imagine some of the complexities that you can see in the project, just because we had to do things like go to Spotify and find out how to use authorization, and then also learn how to use IDs in Firestore so people could choose the names of what they were keeping in our collections. And on top of that, it was creating a dictionary for jokes to then do all the various artists we'd seen in the different pop genres. And we had to make all of these kind of cards that import the pictures from Spotify. But not only that, we had to make it so that it works well for mobile. And as you can see, it looks nice and it looks sleek. And so it really was something that was kind of complex, a little bit harder, something to do. It was something that we really had to apply ourselves to go look through documentation, go look for the answers to the questions we were having. But, you know, after everything, we were really happy with the product that we came to. We were really happy that we were able to get everything working, and we hope you guys enjoy our website. Thank you for visiting, and we hope you guys use it and kind of get some criticisms.
Yeah, most definitely. And also, if you're using this and there's an artist that doesn't pop up with a joke, please leave a comment and let us know, and then I'll add it into the backend code.